Hello everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. Again, this is Teacher JM and today we're going to discuss about action verbs. Before anything else, let's answer this question. What part of a speech shows an action? If your answer is action verbs, you're correct. Action verbs are used to show something a subject is doing or thinking in a sentence. So that means action verbs give us important information about the subject noun. For you to be able to understand the action verbs, let's look at the following example. Let's read the sentence. She walks to the park. The underlined word walks is an action verb. Another example, he kicks the soccer ball. The underlined word kicks is the action verb. Another example, let's read the sentence. I think about the question. The underlined word think is the action verb. Here is another example. Let's read the sentence. The bird eats the seeds. The underlined word eats is the action verb. And for our last example, let's read the sentence. The kids swim in the pool. The underlined word swim is the action verb. Now, let's move on to quiz time. For me to be able to know if you understand our topic for today about action verb. Let's read the directions. Find the verb in the given sentence. Are you ready? Great, let's start. Number 1. Let's read the sentence. Olivia studies for the test. Let's find the action verb. Very good. The answer is studies. Number 2. Jackson shares his toys. Let's find the action verb. Awesome! The correct answer is shares. Number 3. Gino runs in the field. Let's find the action verb. Right, the answer is runs. Number 4. Leia dances gracefully. Let's find the action verb. Very good. The answer is dances. And for our last sentence, number 5, Sab eats her breakfast. Let's find the action verb. Awesome! The answer is eats. There you go, everyone. I hope that you learned a lot about our topic for today. It's about action verbs.
Thank you for watching. This is Teacher JM, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. You can also support our YouTube channel by clicking like button, sharing this video, and putting a comment for the content that you want us to cover. Again, thank you and see you next video.